On that plot page for plot Hound, when you add a plot, it usually prompts you for the GPS to GPS it first. So you just select a species and then you put in the diameter. We also have options for your merchantable height, your total height, your grade, how many tree records you want to add. So here we'll just put in something for the total height real quick, and that flag field we have down below, that's just sort of a custom thing. You can use that for really anything. Sometimes we'll use that for culls, but it can really be anything you want. So here are our grade options, and yeah, you can also choose to fill in defects on your tree. So to do that, you just hit the little add button up there and choose which log it's in. We have a variety of defects you can choose, and then there's also what percent of the log has that defect. So just choose whatever defect you so desire and hit add, and there it is. So now we'll go back to the record and say we made a mistake and we need to change the species. That's easy. You just click the button, it takes you back to this page with all your common species. Now your common species are actually populated from your 30 most common species in the geographic area of your cruise, but you always have this backup all species tab there where you can just select any letter, say F, and it has any species whose common name begins with F already in there. So when you're done, you just hit add, and you've added that species. It pops you back to the, or you've added that tree, it pops you back to the species, and then you're good to go to select more trees to add. So if you do want to add more trees, then again you just select your species. We'll switch it up a little this time, maybe not loblolly, we'll do how about some red maple. So we choose red maple, just put in a quick diameter, and that's all you need. You only have to enter a species and diameter for each tree. All the other stuff is optional, so we can throw in another loblolly pine here real quick, and it's as easy as that, adding trees. So now we'll go back to the list of all the plots in this stand, and say like plot 2 we don't want to collect for some reason, you can click that drop button down there and then it's removed from your cruise. So when you're done, you see that upload button up there in the top right, and if you click that, then it'll ask you if you want to drop all the plots that you haven't started, and then it'll upload all your information up to the server, and so that you can see that's what it's doing right now. So that's it, and then you're done. Your cruise is uploaded and it's no longer on your phone. The data is safe on the server.